Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Beelivery app. So I'm using an emulator, but you can use your mobile devices as well because the process is the same. So the first process would be to install Beelivery, so you can use your App Store or Google Play Store as well. So after in installing Beelivery, what you'll have to do is you'll have to launch Beelivery. So after launching, you can either register or you can continue without registering, but you'll have to put in your postcode at the top. As you can see, I've given here as well. You can use your current location, you can use the map, or you can register with your full address and name and everything to complete delivery to that address. So after you type in your postcode, you'll see, if I scroll down, you'll see there is a delivery time drop down menu. So you can select a time, or you can do ASAP, as soon as possible. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press this place order button at the very bottom. So it will take you to the grocery menu. As you can see, it takes a second to load. So here are the grocery menu. You can scroll up to get all the stuff that you want. So they have everything. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to add products to your basket, and as you can see, I've added products to my basket. So press this view basket button at the bottom to view the basket. After that, what you can do is you can proceed to checkout if you already selected the product that you want to buy. So in this page, you'll have to sign in with your email address, or you can use your Google or Facebook, and then you can proceed with the payment. And this is how you can use your Beelivery app. Your delivery will be sent to your doorstep in about 40 minutes to 1 hour. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.